Kenyans should brace themselves for tough economic times, even as a majority are already complaining about the high cost of living.
This is advice from an economist who does not foresee prices of goods and services dropping anytime soon due to the increase in taxes and fuel prices.
NTV's Sharon Barang'a reports.
In the 90s, Evelyn Awino was a fishmonger. But now she sells fish skin in bulk for an income. The change of business forced her to master the art of removing scales from fish skin. She's rushing against time as she tries to finish her bucket full of skin before her clients get here. Today she brought only 8 fish. Most of her customers can no longer afford fish.
Wanachinja hapa, wakishachinja hapa sasa hiyo fillet naendea wadosi. Hizi ndio tunauzia watu kama sisi.
A bucket costs Awino 100 shillings. Not too far from Awino's kiosk is this public toilet and bathroom, a business run by 23-year-old William Ochieng, popularly known as Ogwes. The facility has been his source of income since 2014. For toilet use, residents are charged 5 shillings and to bathe, residents pay 10 shillings. Ochieng's best day of the week is Sunday. He makes around 500 shillings and on other days he makes around 350 shillings.
Hizi vitu zenye sisi watu wa chini tunazihitaji most. Kwa unga, sukari zipunguzwe, unaona. At least ikuwe pia si pia tunaweza enjoy tuko kwa nchi yetu.
Scholastica Nabwire is a saloonist. On a good day, she has around 4 customers. She too has to squeeze her income to fit all her expenses. She tells me she used to save her money before but cannot afford to save now.
Biashara imerudi down, watu wanalia, hakuna do. So hapa karibu na penye nauza, maduka mingi zimefungwa. Watu wengi wamefunga juu biashara hakuna.
Tony Watima, an economist, says Kenyans should brave for more tough times in future.
The biggest issue that right now is that with the new finance bill, there is increase in taxes also. So we expect more prices of things going up.
It doesn't matter whether you are employed, self-employed or a casual laborer. Everyone is feeling the pinch of the harsh economic times. And so it is a delicate balance between deciding what you're going to spend on a daily basis and if there is any remaining for your savings. Sharon Barang'a, NTV, Nairobi.